as FPV drones has been highly effective in taking out Russian equipment, even the more well-armored vehicles or tanks. They can be used to strike all sorts of targets, as the precision can be very high. The smaller warhead still makes the system effective on many targets. And as seen here, as a machine gun position was stationed next to a field, a Ukrainian FPV drone homed in to destroy it. As the fortification as well as the weapon can be taken out fairly easily with the static target. As other ground weapon system could be targeted, the drone comes from the sky undetected and takes out the target, leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.